Would you like to have more voice? Would you like to be able to sing and be more in tune with your higher frequencies and your lower sense of grounded nature? Then I'm here to tell you how to do it. Let's begin. First step necessary is to yell a bit more. Using your vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and E. And you want to begin by breaking your note where it'll wobble and it will sound a little like this. And when you hold it long enough, it'll smooth out. If you'd like to keep listening, here I go. That's what you must do with all the vowels. Ah, oh, you, I, e. From there, you want to bring that tone of voice up into your nasal region so you can go higher, such as this. And also to your chest. Oh, you, I. As you can see, each vowel needs to be worked out. There's a good way to round all the vowels out at once because you can vocalize it out loud and work on the one vowel. But I found that when you hum your voice and close your mouth and focus your energy on that area of your throat, that you can round out your whole voice quite easily. Here's how that goes. As you can see, that will allow you to focus your energy, put a lot of power into yourself, and that will help expand your throat. Also in your nasal region, this is what I'll do. See, I ran out of breath a little bit there, and it's good to take a break. Let yourself rest for a minute. In fact, what you'd like to do is take a sip of water and hydrate your cords as well. Make sure they're very fluid, and drink before you sing a lot of water to make sure that your cords can vibrate well. If they're dry, they'll sound a little bit like ah. Or if it's cold, out in the weather, sometimes it may sound a little like that as well. Ah! So it's good to warm up your voice as well, you know? And so it's good to come back and be like, and that's another thing you want to do, is go from high to low and make sure that you can fluctuate your voice back and forth. Because if you want to go from a high note to a low note real fast, you're going to be able to have to work all the vowel range up and down, not just like in your nasal and down here. It's a variance. It's like a level of frequency of temperature kind of thing where you have to go from one extreme to the next. So I'll do something like this. Oh! Can you hear how it broke and there was different sounds? And so I will do that back and forth. And when you play with your voice, you'll hear other parts. You might want to work just that area for a second. And you can see I was just doing that one vowel. Now if I do E, as you can see how it smoothed out the more I did that. You can also go to the left and the right of your voice. If you want to go out here and be like, you can feel it in your jowls here. And over here as well. Even up in here and up in here. And when you move your mouth, you can create different tones of voice. So, you'll notice when you open up your mouth, it creates a different frequency. So play with your voice and your lips. And when you hear certain noises, you resonate at a certain frequency, your lips will actually vibrate and fluctuate, and it creates like a wobbling sound, like So, consistently practice your voice daily. In fact, I started out by walking down the street in my time, going from block to block, just yelling out loud, just just yelling out loud. Because I was told when I was a kid that don't yell, you'll hurt your voice. I felt like that was a paradigm to keep people from sharing, from keeping people to express themselves. While yes, you can hurt your voice if you go to the extremes, because people have hurt their vocal cords from yelling too much or harshly, abrasively. If you scream loudly right away without warming up your voice, that can hurt your voice a little bit. So you want to warm it up. You want to start simple and be like, and after you've done it for 5 to 10 minutes, then you want to start to increase it. Put the energy into it. And I would yell in my car for sometimes 20 minutes, wobbling one note, like, ah. And I would just be doing that for 20 minutes. And I'd put more energy into it, the more energy, like, you can hear how it smooths out. So that's what you got to do. Let out your tune. Open up your throat chakra. Express yourself. Be loud. And make sure to warm it down as well. You are the shining star of your soulful sound right now. This is the time for you to realize you're alive. Use your mind. We are the times of truest divine. Be sure to sing more in life. Be sure to share who you are and consistently practice daily, weekly, in your car, let it out loud. I was often told to as well, to give you some advice, be courageous, confident in yourself. Because there was a point in time when I was yelling in my backyard and there was a neighbor across the greenway and she was like, "Shut up! Your voice sucks! No one wants to hear you! It's quiet!" Because I was doing, ah! And I yelled back at her, "I'm increasing my vocal range. I'm a soulful singer of delight. You will not snuff my light." So just let it out. Let your voice be known. Right now. Anyways, I appreciate you. Thank you for listening to my whole video. It's going to help you create, affirm. Because actually, there is one more point that I'd like to share with you. Is that your noise is actually fuel. It's fuel for your reality. Do you hear how I command my voice? Inflection. Using grace with your voice. Knowing how to space things out. And let it breathe. Delivery is key. So, when you speak eloquently, it has a more rhythmic nature. Your consciousness flows like a river. and you're able to speak purely. And the universe responds. The universe responds by vibration and how much energy you put into your vocal range. For example, I am an intelligent soul versus I am an intelligent soul. I am an intelligent soul, man. When you speak, speak with presence. Speak with love. Speak with great quality vibrations. Much love. Thank you for listening. Subscribe to this video. Have a wonderful day. And comment down below. Let me hear what you have to say.